scientists are terrified. The silence of the universe is the most unsettling discovery imaginable. Our galaxy alone holds hundreds of billions of stars. Many host planets perfect for life. The sheer probability suggests life should be abundant, teeming across countless worlds. For billions of years, the universe has offered perfect conditions for intelligence to evolve. This is the Fermi Paradox: if aliens exist, why is there no evidence? One terrifying explanation is the Great Filter. Something prevents life from flourishing. Perhaps the filter lies in our past. A cosmic cataclysm, extinguishing life before it begins. Was the origin of life itself the impossible hurdle? A rare, cosmic fluke? Or the evolution of complex multicellular organisms? An incredibly improbable leap. Perhaps advanced civilizations inevitably destroy themselves through technology or warfare. Or they fall victim to environmental collapse, unable to sustain their own growth. What if they've transcended physical forms, becoming undetectable digital entities? Perhaps advanced civilizations build Dyson spheres, enclosing themselves entirely from view. Maybe they are here, observing us, without interfering. A galactic zoo hypothesis. Or perhaps the sheer distances are too vast, communication signals too weak to reach us. For decades, SETI has listened. Billions of frequencies, countless hours. We've discovered thousands of exoplanets, some potentially habitable. Still, silence. We send messages, our greetings, our music, into the void. We are a fragile, nascent intelligence, broadcasting our presence to unknowns. The implications are profound. Either we are alone, or we are not. Each possibility is equally terrifying, equally exhilarating, equally humbling. If we are alone, our responsibility to preserve life becomes immense. If they exist, what will we learn? What challenges will we face? The search continues. Every new discovery deepens the mystery. The universe is vast, and its secrets are deeply guarded. Until then, we listen. We wonder. We fear what we might find. The Fermi Paradox remains: where are all the aliens? And what does their absence truly mean? But life evolving on a planet is one thing, intelligence, quite another. How often does it arise? For intelligence to become civilization, it needs curiosity, cooperation, and the drive to understand. Even with intelligence, developing the technology to communicate across cosmic distances takes time and specific breakthroughs. Radio waves travel at the speed of light, but the galaxy is vast. Signals weaken rapidly over immense distances. Our own radio bubble has only traveled about 100 light-years, a minuscule fraction of the Milky Way. This brings us to the most unsettling explanation: the Great Filter. A barrier preventing life from becoming interstellar. Perhaps the filter is behind us. The jump from non-life to replicating life might be incredibly improbable. Or the evolution of complex multicellular organisms, or even intelligence itself, could be the hurdle. More ominously, the filter might lie ahead, technological civilizations inevitably destroying themselves. What if they are here, but we don't perceive them? The zoo hypothesis suggests Earth is a protected reserve. Advanced civilizations might observe us, adhering to a prime directive of non-interference. Or perhaps we exist within a simulation. Our entire reality, a cosmic computer program. If we are simulated, that aliens are simply the programmers, beyond our simulated comprehension. Another chilling theory, the dark forest. Interstellar civilizations remain silent to avoid detection. In a universe where resources are finite, any detected civilization is a potential threat to be eliminated. Maybe their communication methods are simply beyond our current understanding, using technologies we can't even imagine. Or perhaps they exist, but are so widely dispersed that encounters or signals are astronomically unlikely. What if civilizations simply don't last long enough? Their technological phase is fleeting. The rare Earth hypothesis argues the specific conditions for complex life are exceptionally unique, making us an anomaly. Self-destruction, resource depletion, or even unforeseen cosmic events could cut short a civilization's lifespan. Perhaps the galaxy is littered with the silent ruins of countless civilizations, long extinct. We scan the skies, listening for any pattern, any whisper that might betray another intelligent presence. Projects like Breakthrough Listen are expanding our efforts, sifting through petabytes of cosmic noise. The Fermi Paradox challenges our anthropocentric view, forcing us to confront our potential solitude or insignificance. It's a profound question that shapes our understanding of life, intelligence, and our place in the cosmos. Whether we find them or not, the search itself pushes the boundaries of our science and imagination. Until then, we are alone in our knowledge, guardians of a precious, perhaps singular, spark of life. Perhaps the answer lies in a grim future, a great filter still ahead of us. Many fear advanced civilizations inevitably succumb to self-destruction, like nuclear war. Or perhaps climate catastrophe, resource depletion, or irreversible environmental damage. The rise of artificial intelligence poses another potential existential threat to advanced species. Unforeseen pandemics or bioengineered plagues could wipe out an entire civilization. These are not just science fiction, they are real concerns for our own future. Could every technological species face a similar, insurmountable challenge to survival? Their expansion reaches a peak, then collapses under its own technological weight. Leaving behind only ruins, a testament to what once was, but is no more. What if they exist, but the universe is a far more dangerous place than we imagine? The dark forest theory suggests advanced civilizations hide to avoid destruction. Any signal broadcast could reveal your location to a hostile, superior intelligence. Therefore, the logical strategy is silence, to remain hidden in the cosmic shadows. Another chilling possibility, we are part of a cosmic zoo or nature reserve. Advanced civilizations might observe us, but prevent direct contact, allowing natural development. We are too primitive to join their galactic club, or perhaps even perceive them. To them, our entire civilization might be like watching ants building a colony. They could be all around us, invisible, uninterested, or beyond our comprehension. Our search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, might be fundamentally flawed. We search a tiny fraction of the cosmic haystack, using limited methods and frequencies. Perhaps their communication isn't radio waves, but something we haven't even conceived. What if intelligence doesn't manifest in ways we expect, or even recognize? Post-biological entities, vastly different from us, might populate the cosmos. Their minds, their existence, could operate on scales and principles beyond our understanding. In such a scenario, the aliens are the programmers, and the paradox is moot. The Fermi Paradox remains one of humanity's most profound and unsettling questions. The silence is deafening, leaving us to ponder our place in this immense, mysterious universe. Perhaps the most significant filter occurred early, the leap from simple life to complex, multicellular organisms. The development of true intelligence, self-awareness, and problem-solving capabilities could be an extremely rare event. Many believe the great filter lies ahead of us: self-destruction through war, climate catastrophe, or unchecked technology. Could advanced civilizations simply burn out before achieving interstellar travel, trapped by their own success? The zoo hypothesis suggests they are out there, but deliberately avoiding contact, observing us in our natural habitat. Are we simply a scientific experiment, our planet a protected wildlife preserve for cosmic researchers? This theory offers a comforting, yet unsettling, explanation for the silence we detect through our telescopes. The planetarium hypothesis goes further: our entire observable universe might be a simulated reality. Are we merely characters in an incredibly sophisticated cosmic simulation, unaware of the true operators? Perhaps the simplest answer is the most profound: space is simply too vast, distances too immense. Even at light speed, interstellar journeys between civilizations would take thousands, even millions, of years. Signals degrade over distance and time. Finding a needle in a galactic haystack is an understatement. Our civilization's active radio presence is barely a century old, a fleeting blip in cosmic time. We might simply be out of sync, our broadcasts passing theirs in the cosmic dark. Life itself might be common across the universe, but complex, tool-making intelligence could be exceedingly rare. The jump from basic problem-solving to advanced technological civilization might be a statistical anomaly. Civilizations rise and fall. Their technological phase might be short-lived, quickly erased by the cosmos. For every species that developed intelligence on Earth, millions never did. Why should other planets be different? Perhaps intelligence doesn't inevitably lead to spacefaring technology. Other evolutionary paths are possible. What if alien intelligence doesn't manifest in ways we recognize? No radio waves, no physical structures. They might exist in environments we deem uninhabitable, their sentience utterly alien to our carbon-based understanding. Perhaps advanced intelligences transcend physical forms, living as vast, interconnected consciousnesses within their own systems. We are searching for reflections of ourselves, when alien intelligence might operate on fundamentally different principles. Their signals, their presence, could be so subtle, so interwoven with the cosmos, that we simply miss them. Despite the silence, the search continues. SETI projects and advanced telescopes push the boundaries of our perception. New instruments are analyzing exoplanet atmospheres for biosignatures, tiny hints of life across unimaginable distances. We, ourselves, might be the fledgling civilization destined to populate the galaxy, the future answer to the paradox. The Fermi Paradox challenges our assumptions, forcing us to confront our place in a universe both empty and full of potential. Whether alone or not, the mystery of where everyone is, remains one of humanity's most profound and enduring questions.